వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు మ్యాథ్స్ మ్యాజిక్ అకాడమీ. సో ఈరోజు మనము మల్టిప్లికేషన్ ట్రిక్స్ గురించి చెప్పుకోబోతున్నాము. ఇంతకుముందు నేను మల్టిప్లికేషన్ ట్రిక్స్ పైన ఒక 2 క్లాసెస్ చేయడం జరిగింది. అందులో ట్రిక్కీ ఆఫ్ 9 అండ్ హౌ టు డూ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ బై యూజింగ్ షార్ట్ కట్ మెథడ్. ఈ క్లాస్లో మీరు ఇంకొన్ని మల్టిప్లికేషన్ ట్రిక్స్ గురించి తెలుసుకుంటారు. అందులో మెయిన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ వన్ స్క్వేరింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ నెంబర్. ఒక నెంబర్ని ఎంత ఈజీగా స్క్వేరింగ్ చేసి మన ఆన్సర్ వితిన్ 20 సెకండ్స్లో చెప్పొచ్చు అనేది మనం ఈ వీడియోలో చూడొచ్చు. సో ఈ వీడియోని లాస్ట్ వరకు చూడండి, మీకు ఈ షార్ట్ కట్ని చాలా ఈజీగా అర్థమవుతుంది. ఓకే, సీ హియర్ టైప్ 1 స్క్వేర్ ఆఫ్ ఎనీ నెంబర్. సో మనకి ఇచ్చినటువంటి ఏ నెంబర్ అయినా సరే స్క్వేర్ చేయడం ఎలాగా, చాలా సింపుల్గా స్క్వేర్ చేయడం ఎలాగో చెప్తాను, చూసి జాగ్రత్తగా నేర్చుకోండి. హియర్ 25. సో 25 స్క్వేర్, 25 square. It is very simple. You can take the last digit, that is 5. What is a 5 square? 25. And then see 2 square. 2 square is what? 4. Now here 2 5s 10. 2 5s 10. The 10 you have to multiply by 2 or twice of this multiplication. 2 5s 10, 10 2s 20. Just add 20 by leaving one digit. Now we can add 5 2 6. This is 625. చాలా సింపుల్ అండి. ఈ 25 స్క్వేర్ అంటే లాస్ట్ ఉన్న 25ని 5 5s 25 రాసుకోవాలి. తర్వాత ఇక్కడ 2 ఉంది, 2 స్క్వేర్ 4 రాసుకోవాలి. తర్వాత ఇక్కడున్న నెంబర్స్ని 2 5s 10 ఆ 10ని డబల్ చేయాలి. డబల్ చేస్తే 20 వస్తుంది. ఈ 20ని ఒక డిజిట్ వదిలేసి రాసుకోవాలి. అప్పుడు మనం యాడ్ చేసినట్టయితే ఇట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ 25 స్క్వేర్. మరి దీన్ని చూద్దామా ఎలాగో. 47 స్క్వేర్. సో ఏం చేయాలండి ఇప్పుడు? 7 స్క్వేర్ 49, 4 స్క్వేర్ 60. నౌ హియర్ 4 7s 28, 28 2s 56 after leaving one digit. So 9, it is 10 and it is 12, it is 2. 2 2 0 9. Now here 1 2 3 whole square. Seeing like big one, but it is very simple. See here 3 square 9. So you have to consider 2 digits 0 9. What is a 12 square? 144. Now 2 all 3s. I taken 2 digits and 1 digit. 12 3s 36. 36 plus 36 72. That you have to write after leaving one digit. So 9 2 and 7 and 4 11. It is 5. It is 1. So 15,129. And now 97. So here 7 7s 49, 9 9s 81. Now 9 7s 63, 63 and 63. You have to add. What you will get? 126, 126. So just simple 9, 10, 2, 3, 4 and it is 9. So 9,409 is nothing but 97 square. Like this, very simply we can find the square of a number. We will go for next trick. So type 2 is going to discuss the square of a number between 40 to 60. That means it is near to 50. Near to 50. It may be less than 50 or greater than 50. You can take less than 50, that is a 41, 42, 43, 44 and so on, and greater than 50 up to 59. So for this type of numbers, how can we do square? In a very simple. See here, first of all, if you take one of the number 43 whole square, 43 whole square. So for this type of numbers, you have to imagine one of the number that is 25. So 50 half 25. 25 you have to imagine. And for this 43 50 కి ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్లో ఉంది. So how much we need to add for 43 to get 50? That is 7. So that 7 square. What is 7 square? And if it is less than 50, is it less than 50 or not? Less than 50. Then what you taken the number 7 square. That 7 you have to subtract from 25. 25 minus 7. What you have to do? First you have to check it out whether the number is less than 50 or greater than 50. If it is less than 50, how much it is less? It is 7 less than 50. So that 7 square you have to write 49, and that 7 you have to subtract from 25. So how much you are going to get? That you have to write here 18. So 43 square is nothing but 1849. Next go for second example, 46 whole square. How to do this one? So here also 50 minus 46. 50 minus 46 is 4. 4 square 16. And now 25 minus 4. We subtracted 4 square. So 4. Now what you will get? 21. That is 2116. Very simple, we can find. Next, go for the third example. So in this third example, we will take more than 50. It is less than 50. Now we will go for more than 50. So suppose if we take 52 whole square. 52 whole square. How can we do? 52 whole square also you have to assume 25 only. So that is 50 half. Now here, how much more than the 50? So 2. 2 square 4. When you are writing 4, you have to take 2 digits. 0, 4. So how much more than 52? The 2 you have to add to 25. Will get 27. That 27 you have to write here. Is it simple or not? And we will take one more example. Fourth problem. So 58 whole square. How to do 58 whole square? So how much more than 58? 8 square 64. And here 8 we have to add. 25 plus 8 it is 33. Just 33 you have to write here. So simple, we can find the square of a number between 40 to 60. Next we will see type 3, multiplication of a number near 100. So near 100 in the sense it is less than 100 or more than 100. Okay, first we will go for more than 100. So suppose I am taking the multiplication of a number, that is 103 into 104. 103 into 104. How simple we can do? See here, how much more than 100? 3. How much more than 100? 4. So 3 fours 12. Just simple, 3 fours 12. 103 plus 4, 107. 104 plus 3, 107. Just write 107. Very simple or not? We'll go for second one. Suppose 109, 110. 109, 110. So how much more? 9, and here 10. So 10 nines 90. 109 plus 10, 119. It is also 119. Just 119. That is a simple. And we will go for example 3, that is less than 100. Less than 100, if we take 94, 97. 94, 97. What you are going to get? See how much it is less than 100? 6. How much it is less than 100? 3. just write how much it is less than 100, how much it is less than 100. Why? Because these two are less than 100. In this case only we can do. Now here 6 and 3. 6 3 is 18. Here see, it is more than 100. That's why we added both of them. We added both of them. Now it is less than 100. So if you subtract 94 minus 3, 91. 97 minus 6, 91. Just simply write 91. And we'll go for one more example. So 97, 98. Now here see how much it is less than 100? 3. It is 2. 3 2's 6. Write 2 digits, 6. And 97 minus 2, 95. 98 minus 3, 95. So just write 95. So that we will get 9506. So by using this simple trick we can find the multiplications very easily.